guys, welcome to my channel Malini New Fashion. So this is our first day of bridal course. So this is our first day. So topic is types of skin. So in this video I'm going to teach you about the types of skin. So let's get into the video. But if you didn't subscribe our channel, means subscribe, follow us on Instagram, ID Malini New Fashion, link is in the description box. Subscribe to my mother's and brother's channel also. And if you didn't watch our introduction video of this bridal class course, means go and watch that video also. Link is in the description box. So now let's get into the video. So friends, first question is, first what we are going to learn is why we are learning the types of skin. This may come to your doubt, that's why I'm clearing it here itself. So why we are learning now? Because to choose our products for everyone's skins are not same in the type. So for one person there will be another skin type, for another person there will be another skin type. So only we are teaching this also in this. So if you know, for example, let's take the dry skin. If your skin is dry, means you can choose the products among that. So primer, foundation, like that you can choose among your skin types only. For this only I am teaching this first itself.
Friends, let me say you an example. For lactocalamine, in the packaging itself they have been written like oil balance. That means it will balance your oil. So this is suitable for oily skin. So this is the example I am giving you.
The next is what are the skin types. There are up to 6 skin types. So that are, first is combination skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, normal skin, and 6th is mature skin.
Friends, now I am going to teach you the explanation of different types of skin types.
Combination skin. For combination skin you can identify easily because in the T zones it will be very oily. T zones means like this. So here nose and here and all, and here it will be very oily, and here and all it will be dry. That is combination skin. Combination skin means dry and oil is equally balanced. So that is called combination skin. Next I'm going to teach you is about the dry skin. Dry skin is actually many of the people have this type of skin actually, because you may also have this, or your neighbors also have this. So you can itself see them whether they are having dry skin or not. If they have been not applied moisturizer, means you can notice that. If they have been applied moisturizer and they have been done their correct makeup, means you can't find. But without makeup, if you see, means it will be noticed there. Or after bathing and all you can see them face, because while we are washing with the soap, the excess oil will be removed from our skin. Dry skin has no oil, but if it's little bit oil will be there. If it's removed by the soap, means after bathing and coming, means the face will be very dry, and they have fine lines near their eyes and their mouth, near mouth and all, they will be having like that. Next is allergy or sensitive skin. Mostly you know about the sensitive skin, I think so, because sensitive skin means the climate changes, means your skin color or like that it will be changing. For if you are just applying any products, means it will be showing the result at the next day itself, because it's actually a sensitive skin. That
Friends, here I made a mistake that I told you if you apply a product, means it will give you a result next day itself. Not like that. The side effect it will come. I have been told like the good effects will come like that. I have been told that. But it's not like that. For you the result will come tomorrow, means some pimples, acne, rashes will come like that only. I tried to explain, but by mistake I told like that. I'm so sorry.
That's why. and sometimes you may get some allergy also because of applying some products or trying some new things. Means definitely it will be showing the result if the product is not good. And for every skin type it's there, but for sensitive it will be showing for light chemicals used also. This is oily skin. Actually most of them know oily skin also about, but also I will explain it. Oily skin has tendency to how to say, it has tendency to develop your open pores, pimples, blackheads, and also some other things and all. And it will be oily in your nose areas and in your chin area here. I mean mostly for oily skin it will not be oily here. I have been seen here only it will be oily like that. Okay, I mean near to chin area it will be oily. This is matured skin. For mature skin it will be dry skin only. It will be also dry and it has many fine lines in their faces like that only. It's closely to dry skin only. Next, you may ask me how to test out what skin type we are having. So now let me explain you that. For explaining this easy method is you have to wash your face at the night and you have to sleep, and then at the morning without washing your face you have to take a tissue and just put it on your face. So after that take the tissue, and if you see that in the T-zones it is oily, means it is something how combination skin. It's all over, it's oily, means it is oily skin, and no oiliness is present in the tissue paper, means it is dry skin. And for the dry skin, if you just do like this, means it will be like this. For me also actually little bit dry skin only. So if you do like this, means it will be coming like this. Without applying moisturizer you do, means it will be like this only. And if you didn't have any symptoms like this, it's not oily and it's medium, means it is an normal skin. It doesn't have oiliness, dryness, very dry. If you look at the mirror itself, you know your face is dry or not. Dry pictures will be like very dry without any oiliness. There will be no, you can easily find out if it is okay, means it's absolutely your normal skin. So guys, today's class is over, and with the use of type of skin only, you can use your products and apply anything in your skin. So that's why I'm explaining this itself first. So that also I've been told in the first itself, but also I'm just saying you. And in this video, what and all we have been teached you, let me say you in the short recap. First, we have been told you about the why we are learning the skin types that I have been told now. And what are the skin types there are? I have been told you, explained you 6 skin types: combination skin, normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, and then allergy skin, matured skin. So these 6 types of skins are there, and then I have been gave you a explanation of this skin types, how it will be like that and all I have been saying you. So if for this I can't recap because for 6 I can't say, you know. So if you didn't, if you forgot it, means you can go and see it also another time also. And next we learned about how to find what type of skin you are having. We have been taught all the things, but how to find, you may also have a doubt. So that also have been taught in this class. So next class is about CTM routine, fully about that only. So yeah, Bye. Let me see you in the next course. I mean, not next course, next class. And yeah, bye.